Beautiful ranch on a 1.70 lot that backs up to woods, with fire pit, and large inviting covered deck. Deck includes gas hookup with grill. Home offers open floor plan, 9 ceilings, hardwood, tile, fireplace with built-ins, granite, and maple cabinets. There is an isolated master, with large glamour bath, and huge walk-in closet. Garage with FEMA-approved storm shelter, and a 30 by 36 detached workshop/garage. The heated/cooled workshop includes 2 offices and loft for extra storage.